everyone, welcome to our channel, our brand new channel Point of View. We wanted to do a little introductory to our channel to kind of share with you guys who we are behind these videos as well as what you can expect from the channel. So some of you watching this may already know us because I do have my own YouTube channel which I've been doing for around 4 years now. So dabbled, I know it's a long time, dabbled in the YouTube space for quite a while now. But my name's Eva and this is Alan, for those of you that are new here and haven't known us before and kind of just stumbled across our little area on YouTube. We are both from London, we both work full-time jobs in London. YouTube's definitely a really fun hobby for us. And with my own YouTube channel, it's something that I've enjoyed doing over the past few years, but this is kind of like a joint venture, something for us to enjoy together. And we're really, really excited about it. Our channel's definitely been inspired by Action Kid, so if you are not following his YouTube channel already, we're going to have him linked in the description box below. He does like walking tours and walking videos all around New York City, which is really cool. He's definitely conquering that space. And we just love watching them. We thought it would be so fun to try and make our own. So because we're based in London and we travel a lot, we're going to be doing a lot of walking videos around London, around different parts of Europe and anywhere else we might travel.
Yeah, and I think the love of London, it's going to show in these videos. We'll go to all over London, all corners of London.
Definitely.
And then it's something that we're just trying to just capture from our point of view. So that's what you'll see. Capture just the noise, the street noise, just the hustle and bustle, the ambience.
Yeah.
I think that's what's going to make this. We're going to both be doing the commentary, so sometimes it might be me, sometimes it'll be Eva, sometimes it'll be together. So it's exciting.
Definitely. Yeah, really exciting. Over on my YouTube channel, I do a lot of London vlogs, which I know is what people who are watching my channel really, really enjoy, because we do show that side of London, what we get up to in London, and this is going to be like a completely like deeper look into that in terms of, you know, the streets of London and life in London, like you said, the ambience of London. So we're really excited about it. You might see that as we start to develop into this, our styles of going on walks, whether it's Alan doing it or myself doing it all together, will differ. I like to talk a lot, and so it will feel like we're on a chatty walk together. Alan's very like calm, and like he said, he really wants to capture the noise of places as well. So there should be a good variety of things coming. If you have any places that you really want us to go and film for you so that you can feel like you're there, you're on a walk there, do let us know in the comments and we can be sure to make notes of everywhere you want us to go and film. We're hoping that for those of you who can't make it to London or other places we go to, this will be an immersive experience where you can feel like you're on a walk with us, but you can also feel like you're walking there yourselves, because I know travel's not accessible to everyone, so we really want to try and introduce all of those places to you guys, as well as so much of London. We've already got loads of ideas that we're really, really excited about, and we've already filmed a few videos too. We just got back last night from a trip to Antwerp. So our first video that is already up, if you're watching this at the time of upload, is our walking around Antwerp's Diamond District, which was beautifully shiny. I loved it. So if you want to see that, that's up now, and very soon we're going to have another Antwerp video coming, and then we'll get straight into London uploads. So really, really exciting. And that's a little intro into us as well, I guess, so you'll know now the faces and the people behind the voices that you might hear in the videos.
I think it's important to put a face behind a voice.
Face to it. I was going to say face to a name, but a face to a voice. You're right.
Face to a voice.
Perfect. Well, I think that's it. If you have any questions for us, guys, or you have any requests of where you want us to go, leave them in the comments. We'll be sure to reply to you, and we will see you in the next video somewhere very soon.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.